trabahong malupit, nasot na sa budget, di kayang bumili. May sirang power tools, walang gagamitin. Relax lang tol, may sagot kami dyan. Skilled technician, di ka mapapahiya dyan. LRB Power Tools Rental, Repair and Rewinding Services. Kahit lumang gamit, sa amin muling bumubuelo. LRB Power Tools Rental, Repair and Rewinding Services. If buying brand new is not an option, try us, we'll help out. Presyo'y sakto, serbisyo ay malupit. Kabuting at your service.